कि khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Lat Barim ke Jela Meghalaya, RS Mushahari. Ula ong bagi Briew ki tip sepang ke Meghalaya de Lyngba Purno agi tok sangma. Bat ula ong ba Purno day tang nong mikmat ya ke Meghalaya. Henry uday uba mikmat ya ke than cetai lamingi hibrok kawai. Ula pen kan mau ba Purno ula bat kum ulampang ke yang dorbar ba kari ke Lok Sabha. Bat ula jan yok ban bat ru kum presiden ne menteri rang ba du kari. Henry nakada ko jinga pa yapok parti jong shim lala ban poi syakata katong. Ulat Barim ulah keren ya kini ya kajingkin mau burom ya kadengku singyap ke bapra jong Purno sangma ya ke bala pelong da ke University of Science and Technology Meghalaya ni ke USTM. Hakini singi Mushahari ulai ro ya ki khun Purno kham tam ya Conrad kongkal sangma ubalong mentau menteri rang ba jong ke Jela Meghalaya par ulong ba de menteri rang ba ubatibet tam jong ke Meghalaya. Kinong penyak jong ni ke sekolah ba kila penken mau ru ya ki Briew ki badan mentalang ban kentiau ya ni ke sekolah ba bahkan top yo menteri rang ba Barim u Dr. Dan Kupar Roy bat kiwi-kiwi.
I think he was one of the most successful speakers. He never used to get upset. On the contrary, what he used to do is he used to allow them to do anything. And he would start reading some books, sitting there quietly and let them speak whatever they want. That sense of humor he had. And it could really control the proceedings of the parliament. He was very popular with the people that I could understand. It was once when I was in Chennai. Two ladies came forward and asked me, "Sir, are you Mr. C.A. Sangma?" I didn't tell them that through a non-Mongolian eyes, although all of the Nordic people do the same. So we do all say positive because of our eyes and nose and skin tones. So I said, no, dear lady, I am not here Sangma. He is a different man. And as a speaker, he will be walking the streets of Chennai like I am doing now. Many occasions, we meet, we talk very often, and then I also tell him with some humor that whenever there is need for a chief guest, there is a captive chief guest in our society. So please come to me.
So the spirit behind of this university sometimes I will become the father of this university. I can say that P.S. Sangma or Vice Society another gentleman, you know, is Ïaroh, Dr. Dan Kupar, he was the chief minister. So within the first these ideas I have given to me and getting the enactment from the assembly, it was nearly 24 days. Within 24 days, this has been enacted in the assembly, but we could not start. It was here because of the age, but we could not start the university. Finally, when we got the lots of reminders from the state government as well as the central government that if we are not starting the university, again it will be deactivated from the assembly. So finally, we took the loan, and because we had to give the 2 crore central and from the state government.
We are lucky that he had so close a relation with a dynamic leader, Shri P.S. Sangma, a well-known national, international figure who grew under a very, those conditions which could not support financially to get all the facilities